crispy, spicy orange beef at home.
Steak tips or flat meat. You can see the grain runs this way. So we want to cut this into bite-sized pieces against the grain so it's tender. This meat needs flavor. Big flavor with grated garlic, soy sauce for salt, and the alcohol in Shaoxing cooking wine is going to help the marinade penetrate. Lots of fresh cracked pepper. And mix it. You want to kind of tenderize it and spread the marinade. Szechuan peppercorns are going to give us that zing, but we need to toast them first. Freshly toasted and hand crushed. You could smell that, and the texture's right too.
I prefer the dry peel, but you want fresh peel if you can't get it. Either way, you need the juice. It also needs Shaoxing cooking wine, sugar, molasses for sweetness and complexity, and dark soy is going to help make it darker too. And Chinese black vinegar for tang. Balsamic if you don't have this, or rice wine will work too. Time to start the crispy coating on the beef with an egg white and cornstarch. Make sure you mix well to coat, and that sauce needs to go on the stove. We need that sugar to melt and those flavors to marry. Once it's melted, cornstarch slurry will get the texture right. Just bring that to a boil to activate it. Potato starch will finish that crispy coating. Lay down that beef. A little more potato starch on top. Coat each piece and onto a wire rack. And to get that crispy coating to stick, these are going in the freezer first.
About an hour, no more. You want it stiff, not frozen. Get that oil above 370 and fry in batches. A quick swipe so nobody sticks together. These go quick, like a minute and a half quick. This dish is about the aromatics, the garlic and orange. In this case, mandarin peel. If you don't have that, just use the fresh stuff. I just tear it up with my hands. You want the flavor, but you ain't gonna eat it. Add those Szechuan peppercorns now. That's gonna make this pop. Onions and peppers, I'm sticking with the orange theme. This usually has dried chilies. I'm adding orange habaneros. That'll really f with them. It's called crispy orange beef. They get the crispy from the double fry. Now you just add the sauce and the beef. Toss everybody to coat, and we're good. A little green onion and sesame oil to finish. Tell me you don't want that. A big plate of that. It needs crispy fried garlic though, doesn't it?
That is a crispy orange beefy flavor bomb.
Whoa.
It's spicy, it's crispy, it's tangy, it's sweet, it's all the things.
Super crispy.
I love that.
That's the Szechuan habanero kick.
That tastes like restaurant style. Mm-hmm.
Orange beef has always been one of my favorites. Now it's my favorite at home.
You can achieve those flavors at home.